how are you doing? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a guest operating system using Vagrant. Okay, so I'll show you configuring a Vagrant file and then installing the guest operating system. And after that, I'll also show you to install a HTTP service and setting up a website, okay, and run the website into that. Okay, so here we have Vagrant version 2.4.7 and we have VirtualBox version 7.1.2. Okay, so now what we will do first, what we need to do, Vagrant. Okay, before that I need to tell you one thing, that for a Vagrant installation you need a key folder. What is this key folder? The key folder holds a Vagrant file, and this Vagrant file contains all the information about the operating system. This Vagrant file can hold a single operating system. This Vagrant file can hold a multiple operating system. Okay, so for a single operating system you don't need a Vagrant, don't need a name. If there is a single operating system configuration, you can just use the Vagrant and command like Vagrant init, Vagrant up. But if there are multiple operating systems, you need a Vagrant definition. Okay, so we will not go to the multiple operating system. I will come to a later tutorial where I will show you installing a multiple operating system using a Vagrant file. Okay, so first what we will do, we will do Vagrant init. Okay, no, let us first see the list of box. See, we have all these boxes. These are the Vagrant name. Okay, so among this I will be using CentOS Stream-9. Okay, so what we will do, we will do Vagrant init CentOS Stream-9. Sorry, there's a typo. Now when you run this command, we get this Vagrant file already exists in this directory. Remove it before running Vagrant init. Okay, so let us see. See, we have a Vagrant file, not this Vagrant file X. We have Vagrant file. So this is the file which will help you to install with all the configuration. So I've already had this file. I have this because why I did this, because I've already installed the operating system. It is a very time-taking subject. Okay, so I want to reduce the time. So this is the configuration file. Okay, I've already installed this OS because it is a very time-taking task. So I just want to reduce the time. So I've already installed. Now in this configuration file, we need to do two changes here. One is the private network, which is called host-only network. Now, what will be the host-only network? Shall we keep this 192.168.33.10? For that, we have to go to VirtualBox. In this VirtualBox, in the network, this is the network section, we have this host-only network. In that, you see the IP is gateway IP is 192.168.56.1. So we have to use the 56 range IP. So I just do nothing, just change it to 56, .10. And we will now go to the public network. Public network you can keep like this, or you can also give the type of network you are using. I'm using bridge network. So after this I will do Vagrant up. No more configuration changes required. Vagrant up means if the operating system is not installed, it will first install and then it will boot the operating system. Now here, since the operating system is already installed, so it will only boot. Now after with this command, the operating system will be booted. Okay, so now it is running. Okay, now we will do a SSH. The command is Vagrant SSH. That's all. So yum update -y. So I first have to do a sudo. So sudo -i will take you to the root. Now I will do yum update, or you can also do sudo yum update -y. Okay. Now the next one is yum install httpd. You need a wget because this initial operating system don't have all these packages, and unzip. We need these 3 packages. Okay. Sorry, I just forgot to mention -y, so it is giving me this prompt. If I mention -y, this prompt is, you will not get this prompt. Now what we will do, we will go to the website. Here we will go to tooplate.com. So this Tooplate has a lot of template, HTML template are there. So this HTML template are very good. You can just use this and install this template, update this, and make your own website. Okay. So in this we are using 2137 Barista Cafe. Just let us go back. Here are the free templates. On this template we will choose this Barista Cafe. Okay. So for that what we will do, sorry, just went back. For that we will go to inspect. In this inspect we will go to network, and then go downwards and click on download. So whenever it will give a pop-up to save it, I will just cancel this, escape. In the network you see we have this inspect. On the network tab we have this. Okay. On this right click and go to copy and copy URL. We will go here and we will go to cd/tmp. Now we will do a wget. Okay. What we have to do, we have to unzip this. Unzip to one. Okay, so unzip, just check it, ls-la. Okay, we have this thing. We have this folder. Now what we will do, we will do cp -r tmp 213 start to var www html. So this is the default folder of httpd. This is the root folder of httpd. Okay. So http daemon root folder, we have to copy all the content of this Barista Cafe to this HTML folder. Okay, this root folder. Just a moment. Just a moment. I think there is a typo. Sorry, I have given 4W. Okay. Now let us check what is here inside. Where www HTML. See, if you compare this with ls, with this one, ls-la 213, see, with all the content of this in HTML folder. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will do a systemctl restart httpd and also enable it. Done. Now we will take this private network. Also, we can also check from here IP ADDR. We'll get all the public and private network. So this is the private network. See, we have given here. You can see 192.168.56.10. Now copy this one. And go here. Got it? Barista Cafe. See, check menu. Then our story. What a beautiful this. You can use this to play. This is a very awesome. You'll get all awesome HTML and CSS in template, which will help you to create your own website. Okay? Now what we will do, we will just replace this with another technique. So first what we will do, we will just remove all in the TMP directory. 13.zip stop systems is CTL HTTP, sorry, stop HTTP. Let us stop this. See, when you stop this, you go and refresh, site is gone. Okay? Now rm minus rf where, okay, let us just a moment, ls minus ls where http sorry, where www http sorry, HTML extremely sorry. Now let us remove everything. rm minus rf where www HTML start. Check again. Nothing is there. Okay. Now if you just start it, systems TTL start HTTP and refresh here, you get the default CentOS HTTP server test page. Now what we will do, we will go to the Tooplate again. Go back, take another some awesome site here. Suppose this one, wedding light. Go here, click on download, escape, cancel this. See, we got the link in the network tab. Okay, just copy this, copy URL and wget, then unzip, cp minus r, star in var HTML. Let us check once again. We have all it. Now just do a restart. Check the status. Active. Okay. Refresh. Well. We have it here. Okay. Now see, the website is live. Okay. Now the last thing we will do, we are using the private network. What about the public network? Let's go here. So we have this public network 192.168.29.61. So this is the this gateway of my router, which is actually my router. Okay, so this is the bridge network, or you can say this is the public network. Just go here. Same. Because we have enabled the bridge network, no? If you have disabled the bridge network only, use the host only network, you will get only the host network. That's all about this video. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please like and share, and also subscribe to my channel.